Today we are diving into a powerful pairing from DJI that could transform the way you capture cinematic footage. I'm talking about the DJI RS4 Pro Creator Combo and the Focus Pro Creator Combo, and yes, that Focus Pro setup includes the LiDAR unit. If you're a solo filmmaker, content creator, or working with a small crew, this integrated solution promises rock-solid stabilization, precise focusing, and streamlined control, especially if you're shooting with manual or cine lenses. I will be filming all these scenes in front of the fireplace here with this LiDAR focusing system, so we can see how this works. Yes, in normal setup I would use manual focus, but because we want to test this unit, I thought, let's test it out. DJI sent me this combo for free to test and review. First up, the RS4 Pro Creator Combo. Out of the box, you immediately feel the premium build. DJI's signature engineering touches are all there. Carbon fiber arms, robust materials, and a lightweight design that's surprisingly easy to handle. With the RS4 Pro, DJI continues to refine its stabilization technology, giving you stronger motors, improved balance adjustments, and a more intuitive setup process. If you spend time struggling with all the gimbals, you appreciate how quickly this one gets you up and running. Balancing a camera on the RS4 Pro is a breeze. Axis locks and fine-tuning knobs help you dial in your setup within minutes. Whether you're mounting a compact mirrorless camera or a bulkier cinema rig, the RS4 Pro's payload capacity and enhanced stabilization algorithms ensure that even dynamic movements come out smooth and steady. Now let's talk about the Focus Pro Creator Combo that includes the LiDAR unit. It features a focus motor that directly interfaces with your lens and the LiDAR unit that provides accurate distance data to your focusing system. You can use the Focus Pro Creator Combo either by itself, with its included handle, or in a gimbal setup. Setting up the Focus Pro motor is straightforward. It attaches onto your lens's focus gear and is powered through a gimbal or the included handle, no extra batteries or messy cables. What's really exciting is the LiDAR unit. By emitting pulses of laser light and measuring the return times, the LiDAR gives you highly accurate distance readings. The data is then fed into the focusing system, helping you pull focus smoothly and confidently, even in tricky environments. We have the drone here that follows us, and we have Beat here. We're trying to walk through the woods. Let's try it out, eh? Okay. We have the drone behind us, and we have Uncle Beat walking with the remote of the drone, and I'm filming here with the RS4 Pro, with the Focus Pro, getting my focus here. Now you're walking towards me and you're passing me. It's very gentle. Okie dokie. Look at this sample footage. I'm moving through a busy environment and using a manual cine lens. Normally a challenge to keep in sharp focus on the fly. When I read in the manual that the Focus Pro actually has active track, I thought I want to test it out. Let me walk around here. Yeah, look at this. Active track really works great. It follows me. Let me go all the way in the back here for a second. I'm here 5-6 meters away from the camera. The LiDAR can go up to 20 meters. It has 76,800 ranging points, means points that keeps you in focus, that you can focus on. That works actually pretty nicely here. I really like that. The LiDAR truly shines in low light conditions. Traditional autofocus systems often struggle when contrast or lighting is poor. The LiDAR bypasses these issues by providing distance-based data, so your focus motor knows exactly where the subject is, even if your camera is out of focus for bee hunting. And let's talk about what this means for lens choice. If you love shooting with manual or cine lenses, you know the struggle of keeping focus spot on, especially in doing dynamic moves. The Focus Pro combo with LiDAR gives you the confidence to use these lenses in more challenging scenarios. Let's sum up the experience with pros and cons. The RS4 Pro provides incredible stable footage even with complex movements or heavier camera setups. The LiDAR unit provides precise distance measurements, helping you maintain tack-sharp focus even in low light or fast-paced scenes. The integrated focusing solution lets you confidentially use lenses that lack autofocus, giving you the creative freedom to choose the best glass for your story. The LiDAR-enabled Focus Pro Creator Combo adds to your overall investment. For budget-conscious shooters, this might be a tough pill to swallow. While straightforward, mastering LiDAR-assisted focusing and optimizing motor settings still requires a bit of practice, especially if you're new to gimbals or manual focusing. Also, the gimbal and accessories are well engineered. Adding the focus motor and LiDAR unit slightly increases the overall weight of your rig, something to keep in mind on longer shoots. So, who is this for? If you're a wedding cinematographer who needs to capture fleeting candid moments smoothly and in focus, a documentary filmmaker working under unpredictable conditions, or an indie filmmaker who wants the freedom to use any lens you choose, this pairing can radically improve your setup. It gives you more control over both stabilization and focus, allowing you to concentrate on storytelling instead of wrestling with your gear. The RS4 Pro Creator Combo paired with the Focus Pro Creator Combo that includes the LiDAR unit is a powerful toolkit for modern filmmakers. It combines outstanding stabilization, intelligent focusing and a cleaner setup, helping you consistently achieve polished, cinematic results, even with manual and cine lenses. While it's not the cheapest or simplest option out there, for many creators it strikes the perfect balance between functionality, flexibility and creative freedom. Check out this video next to learn more about filmmaking gear and how to use them. Thanks for watching and see you next one. Bye for now. Oh my gosh, this was something. Let's see here. This is really amazing, this LiDAR system here. Oh, really cool. Okay, time to rest.